Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming network and account basics. This saves time. Make sure your phone supports 5G bands used by Geo and that KYC and billing are current. If you have an eSIM, enable it and verify the profile is 5G provisioned. If a physical SIM, insert it and reboot. Once done, open My Geo to view plan details and active offers. This is the first actionable step, because provisioning and hardware readiness determine whether unlimited 5G will actually work. Next, you activate or upgrade your plan. That's the complex middle step. In My Geo, choose the unlimited 5G plan or purchase a 5G add-on, then complete payment with UPI, card, or net banking. Make sure you pick a plan whose terms explicitly include unlimited high-speed 5G and note any FUP thresholds. After payment, restart your phone and enable 5G in settings under Mobile Network. If your phone stays on 4G, toggle airplane mode and reselect the carrier once more. Finally, you verify service and handle issues. This completes the process. Run a speed test and confirm My Geo shows your unlimited 5G plan active and usage counters. If you don't see 5G, switch the SIM into a known 5G phone to isolate the problem and toggle network modes or reset network settings. If it still fails, contact Geo support with your SIM number and recharge receipt so they can reprovision your profile. This troubleshooting step results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.